Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have a very fun tutorial for you doing this Christmas design using Emily's Blossom Gel. I hope you guys enjoy and I'll meet you back at the end. Okay, so now I'm going to go over with my cat eye polish, and so the idea is that these snowflakes, when I expose them with a magnet, they will just seem like gold snowflakes. That nail went immediately under the lamp. Now what you see me here, I am applying the Emily Blossom base over a white tip. Initially, if you notice, I had this with a silver glitter, but I scratched that because when I practice, I actually used that color over a plain white and it looked much better. I thought I was going to like it over the silver, but I did not. So I started over with a new tip just to painted in white, and I'm using now the Madam Glam California Love to create my Christmas tree. Alright guys, so here is the final result. I finished everything with the final gel top coat, and I decided on my pinky to go with the California Love from Madam Glam and some gems. What do you guys think? I think they turned out so cool. I had a lot of fun playing with that Blossom clear base from Emily, creating my poinsettia and the Christmas tree. Do you guys have a favorite? I think I'm loving the snowflakes. Look at that cat eye. So cool. And I'm almost seeing that for a cool New Year's Eve design. Yeah. Black and gold is just always so classic. And I will probably repeat that if I was to do this on all 5 nails. I was trying to find a way to kind of repeat the black someplace else on the other 3 nails, but to make the design a little bit more cohesive, doing all 5 nails, I will repeat it on my thumb. Yeah, that's what I would do. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know what you think below. Leave your comments. Any questions, I'll be happy to answer. I hope you guys enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.